Hi guys, I hope you're well. And I just want to come on YouTube quickly and then just post a quick video. About a year ago, I basically made a video of the top 3 coins to invest in when it comes to silver and 1 ounce coin gold as well. However, if you have listened to me and you invested in 1 ounce gold coin last year, this time it was about 550 rand, it was about 650 rand as well. A year later, we are looking at a 1 ounce silver Kruger coin. 1 ounce silver Kruger coin, or 1 ounce silver in South Africa, it is going for 1,400 today, the 13th of January. This is your reminder to buy a 1 ounce silver coin, because silver is becoming scarce and silver is used in many of the equipment and in the material and within vehicles, within solar as well. And this is the time we are moving towards, where we need to look at what is the materials that is used in these equipment, so that we can know whether it is going to become a demanding material, whether it's going to become a scarce commodity. We need to look at it from that angle. Gold as well. Gold in essentially last year compared to now has grown significantly. 10,000 rand more a year later for a 1 ounce silver Kruger gold coin. And essentially, investing in silver and gold is important to add to your portfolio of investments. Property is ultimately important, but investing in copper, investing in silver, investing in gold as well, no matter how big or how small, 1/4, 1/10, at least have something to say that you have bought it at a particular price, and now a year later it has doubled in price. Because hypothetically, I bought a coin last year, one silver Kruger coin, for 550 rand. Times 2, it is 1010. However, a year later, it is 1400 rand. So if you look at that math, basically, it has doubled, and it is a item that has gone up perpetually without you investing in it, because it is a scarce material, and it is something that has value to it. And silver and gold is always used around the world, copper as well. So please, my reminder to you all, to invest into precious metals, no matter how small, no matter how big. The time to invest is now. Like they say, the best time to plant a apple tree was many years ago, so that we can reap the harvest of that particular plant years after, which is now to bear the fruits that you have put in. So all the best to 2026. Please invest wisely, no matter how big, no matter how small. Look at tangible items that is going to be increasing, that has no high risk attached to it as well. All the best. Goodbye.